Hello everyone, welcome back. Before I begin, I have a simple question for all of you. How many of you paint as a hobby and how many of you dream of becoming a professional artist? Both answers are wonderful because there is no right or wrong path. Some people paint just for the joy of creating, while others hope to turn their passion into a career. Today, I would like to talk about the difference between a hobby artist and professional artist and why both deserve respect. A hobby artist paint mainly for enjoyment. They paint when they have free time and whenever they feel inspired. There is nothing wrong with that. Art is wonderful way to relax, reduce stress and express feeling. A hobby artist does not need to worry about deadline or expectation. They simply enjoy the creative journey. A professional artist also enjoy painting, but they treat it like a responsibility. They paint even when they are not feeling inspired because they have goal to achieve. They may have exhibition, commission, online classes, or customer waiting for their work. For them, painting is not only a passion but also a career. Another difference is practice. A hobby artist may practice whenever they have time. A professional artist create a regular schedule and keep practicing improve. They understand that learning never stops. Even after many years, there is always something new to discover. Professional artists always spend time on things beyond painting. They learn about composition, colors, marketing, social media, photography, framing, pricing, and communicating with collectors. These skills help them build a successful art career. One thing that both hobby artists and professional artists have in common is that they both make mistakes. The difference is how they react. A hobby artist may stop for a while after a bad painting. A professional artist learn from the mistake and start the next painting. They know that every painting is part of learning process. It is also important to remember that becoming a professional artist does not happen overnight. Almost every professional artist started as a hobby artist. They slowly develop good habits, work consistently, and never stop learning. So, which one is better? The answer is neither. It depends on your personal goal. If painting make you happy as a hobby, that is wonderful. If you dream of making art your profession, that is also wonderful. Both paths deserve respect. In the end, being a professional artist is not just about selling painting. It is about showing up regularly, staying disciplined, continuing to learn, and believing in your journey. And being a hobby artist is about enjoying the beauty of creating without pressure. Thank you everyone for listening. I hope this talk reminds us that no matter where we are on our artistic journey, the most important thing is to keep painting, keep learning, and enjoy every brush stroke.